We're in the horizontal position. We're going to pick it up with dual crane operations, pick it up, and we actually move it over to where the big dolly is. That is actually one of the beams that we use for the lifting fixture. That's the bottom beam. And we actually slowly go from the horizontal and we go to the vertical position. Once we get that segment to the vertical position, we have a slap stand right here. We actually have some hardware. I'll explain what that is. 2 seconds. It's set there, and the lower lifting fixture is removed from the hardware. Once that is removed from the hardware and disconnected from the second crane, it is now a one crane operation here at all times after that. We only need dual cranes. That's what we're going to do. We call it the breakover from a horizontal to a vertical position. All right? Now, to give you an example, these 2 rings right here that you see, these greasy things, I say do not touch. There is one that is actually attached to the top and the bottom when it comes in the rail car. These are where you can see the clevis points right here on the top. You see the clevis points? There's 2 clevis points on the first one and the top one and the bottom one. All right, those are our pivot locations where we pivot. Once they're no longer needed, we have another beam that actually goes in, and the same places as where the booster segments are pinned together. That is how we go through those pinning holes, and we use a lifting fixture. I'll show you down here on the other end, and we actually use a different lifting fixture to not only move them in here in this facility, but also after we prep them here, we move them over into VAB and we lift them up for stacking and mating operations in the VAB. So after that, we never use these. We call these end rings. We never use these. Consider these for transportation to get them into the rail cars and to remove from the rail cars. After that, we use the same pinning holes that we actually put the booster together.